So today, let's speak something which I'm feeling intuitively. I want to share with you all. Okay, we have to just snap out of the loop. All right. Now, here, understand where is the loop. You might be watching videos, you might be listening to things which are giving you a lot of healing. All right, you feel, oh wow, this is resonating with me. I am living with a narcissist, or I am being tortured by a narcissist. It could be like, oh my god, I have been giving all my life. All right, I have been an empath. I am such a beautiful soul. So there is a very beautiful destination for me. My destiny is going to be something very nice, super duper. So all these things you might be listening a lot. All right? You might be listening you because so much of information is there today. And this is giving you healing. And the more and more you listen, the more you want to listen, the more you want to know, like what's coming, what's going to happen in my life. I'm such a spiritual person, everything is so good about me. So all these things are keeping you in a loop. Remember, this is a cycle. This is also a cycle where you can keep yourself stuck. All right. So all this is okay. I'm not saying that don't listen to this or don't get the information, but remember, this is a loop. Snap out of that loop. How will you snap out? 3D world, we need action. So now you are stuck in something, you're thinking, overthinking, and overthinking, sometimes overtime thinking. But what are we actually doing about it? That is the main thing. We are listening about self love, all right? We are practicing self love, but what are we actually doing about it? What steps are we practically taking about it? That will be more important. Getting it, everyone? So we have to just snap out of the loop. We have to see where we are stuck in that loop and what actions are we taking. What is our learning from what we have been listening? We have to be wise now, very wise. Yes? And take the learning, move ahead. That's it. So do not be in that loop. Let me see what additional message comes out. If you have really started loving yourself, what are you doing exactly for yourself now? All right? What practical steps are you taking to express that self love? All right. Queen of Wands and the Tower. All right. So we all know what the Queen of Wands says. Yes. Determination. Be very determined. Be very grounded. Absolutely no budging of what you want. Say no to what is not for you. Now, once you start saying no to so-called small things which you don't want to settle for, you will see that what you exactly want arrives just after that. All right. So it's like standing your ground, standing for what you believe in. Yes. And it's about your confidence. Be confident about yourself. Be confident of what you are, and be confident what you're meant to be, or rather your higher version. your best version. Be confident of your journey. Yes, it's time to root into your purpose and boldly step into the limelight of your life. Are you only hiding and listening to everything? Are you only hiding and trying to, comprehend, oh God, this is my story. This is what I am. This is what I am living. This is how I am living. Are you only, feeling that pity for yourself? Are you still in that loop? So please snap out of it. Otherwise, the tower has come. So suddenly things are going to break in your life, which will take you or snap out of that loop. It will snap you out of that loop. So this is a very, very strong message coming in. So take bold steps. What you have been prolonging or rather procrastinating for a very long time now, stand for yourself. All right, stand for what you are exactly believing in. See, bottom of the deck, we have Hanged Man. So this is the stuck energy. It's in a loop. It will keep you stuck until and unless you show the strength to snap out. Okay, so that was the message I wanted to share with you all. I hope it will help someone exactly where you are. You will be understanding. You got that understanding, like why things are not moving, why things are not, taking, rather manifesting in the reality.